Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to learn the one of most important topic in your first unit. Definitely, we are going to get a question on it. That is module. That is called as module. I think so. Right, like this. Modules. What do you mean by the module? What do you mean by the modules? Before going to the modules, go for other things. That is first one stdio.h. In C we used it. In C we used it like that. System dot out dot print. That is Java dot io dot star, which is used in Java. Now in C sharp you are using. Now in C sharp you are using system dot window dot star. System dot windows dot star. Here this is called as library or framework. Here in C sharp it is known as library or framework. Here it is known as package. It is known as package. Here it is known as library, I think so. Library. See my dear function, my dear students. See my dear students. This containing built-in functions. This is going to contain built-in functions. If I want to print something in a C, I'm going to call the printf. Before using this printf, we are going to use this stdio.h because it is a library. It is a library where printf is present. Then the library is collection of methods. The library is collection of useful functions ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. In the same manner, some packages are there for println, for applet, for applet and all the things. There are packages are there. Here system.window.star, it is used for Windows categories. ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಿ ಹ್ಯಾಶ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ why I am telling these all, ಇದೇ ತರ ನನಗೆ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆದಾಗ. ಈಸ್ ಪೈಥಾನ್ is going to provide some other packages or anything? Yes, it is going to give something else that we are not going to call it as a library, that we are not going to call it as a package, but it is called as modules. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ is nothing but a library because it contains the built-in methods where we cannot use to write from the scratch. ನಾವು ಕೋಡ್ ಬರಿ ಮುಂದಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್ ಇಂದ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. In Java you learned that there are two kinds of packages. One is built-in packages, another one is user defined packages. The same thing happens here. One is inbuilt modules, another one is user defined modules. What do you mean by the user defined? Inbuilt in the sense already they are present, like print, input. These are functions you used already. These are built-in functions. These are built-in modules where we are going to use it. Like that, there is a user defined function concept also there. Whatever programs, luxury, whatever programs you are going to write in Python, whatever program you are going to write in a Python, those going to act as modules. Sir, in previous sessions we had some programs. Is they called as a module? Now adana modules anta call madaboda sir? Yes, you can call any Python codes as a modules. Lakshirli. Okay, have you got it? Raise your hand. Have you got it? Raise your hand. What I explained, you got it? My dear students, raise your hand if you got. Well, you are going to concentrate on more. Here we are going to concentrate on more user defined models. How user is going to define a module and how user is going to import the module. Module is a Python code. Module is a Python code. Okay, one second. So Python ಅಲ್ಲಿ modules ಅಂತ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ modules are Python source codes or Python codes where we are going to implement, where we are going to recall the codes, wherever we are going to recall the codes if it is necessary. If we want to write something about, already we are having the function, we make use of it. We already written that program. The same concept will be repeating in the sense I am going to import this. The same function, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ದಿರಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅದೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕೋಡ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯದ. You are not going to use the code, you are going to write the code, you are going to just import the things. So how you are going to import the things, that is important. Okay, I will discuss one program here. Before going to the program, I will discuss something. Modules, definite question is going to appear in the examination. Luxury 5 marks or 10 marks question will be there on modules. Definite questions are there. Definitely modules ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ we are concentrating more on user defined modules. The question also going to frame on the same thing. The question is going to frame on the same thing. Sir, is it not necessary to learn the built-in functions? It is necessary, but already they are written the code. You are going to just know which is a built-in function and which is not a built-in function. That's it. You are not going to know the how the module is called, how the module is inside. ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು? ಯೂಸರ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸರ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಒಂದು ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆದೆ ನಾನು, cal.py, which includes some addition, multiplication, division. ಈ ಮೂರು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಳಗೊಂಡಂತ ಒಂದು cal py ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆದೀನಿ, ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನಾನು. The program which calls as a sum.py. Write a program. I'm going to give you write a program that calculates a and b, the addition that performs the addition of a and b. Can you going to do the code for sum? No, because I already having a cal.py. It is having a sum, it's having a multiplication, it's having a division. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೋಡ್ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ, ಆ ಕೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ, ಇನ್ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಐತಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇವೆರಡೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಜಾವಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಸಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ? ಹ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಜಾವಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ? ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. Correct ರೀ? To extract the library, we are going to use hash include. To extract the thing, import I am going to use. Here what we need to use, sir? Here also you are going to use the import function. There are two methods to call the modules. There are two types of methods. Let me learn one by one. Okay, so how to call it, sir? There are two statements we are going to use. to call the module in one program. To call the module, are you getting what I am telling, or simply you are raising the hand? Are you getting? Are you getting? Raise your hand. Are you getting? Well, so I need to import one module. If this is a module cal.py, cal.py I'm going to save. Okay, next I want to import it to the sum. What I need to do now, there are two methods. How you are going to import? There are two methods. One, you are just using a import statement. You are going to use just import statement. There is a second method api. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅದ. ಈ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು? ಸಮ್, ಡಿವಿಷನ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಈ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ? 3 ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ. ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯದ? ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಸಮ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯದ. ಹೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕರೆಯೋ ಬದ್ಲಿ 3 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. IO.star ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಿನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ರಿ? ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕರೆಯೋದು ನೆಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ import statement. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್. ಫಂಕ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ನು ಕಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದು ತಗೋಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ನಾ? ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಪಿ ಐ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಎದರಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಯಾವ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಂತ? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್, CAL. ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಾ? ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫೆಚಿಂಗ್? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್. ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್? ಸಮ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀತಾರ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀತಾರ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತಾರಿ ಸರ್? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತಾರ ಅಂದ್ರ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾರ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತಾರ? ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗು. ಅಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನನಗೆ? ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್. ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ ಬಂದೆ. ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. ಏನ್ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಸಮ್. Clear it is? Raise your hand. Clear it is? First one I am going to learn, that is import statement. Okay, I'm going to use the import statement here. Import statement. I'm going to write a syntax first. Import statement ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ? Syntax. Is it visible? Raise your hand if it is visible. Syntax. Import. What we are going to import here? Whole module we are going to import. That is module 1, comma module 2, comma module 3, up to so on. Module N. Can I have an example? Can you able to give the example now? Got it as import module 1, module 2. More than 2 modules you can import ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಒಂದೇ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೇನ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ? ನೋ, more than 2, more than 3, more than 4 we can call here. Okay, What I'm going to do now, I'm going to show some simple program here. I'm going to write a simple program here. Is it visible? Is it visible? Program to illustrate module by import. See the thing. I'm going to write emp.py, that is employee.py. Here what I am going to do, I am going to write def print name. Here I am going to pass the name, print name I am going to pass. Here it is visible to you, here this is visible to you, I think so. Print hi plus name plus welcome. Is it visible? Is it visible? I think this one is not visible to you, I think so. This one is not visible to you. Up to name it is visible. So plus welcome. Now I think so it is not visible because it is cross. What I am going to do, I will write here print hi plus name plus welcome. Now it is visible to you. This is one program I have written. This is one program I have written which contains the def as a print name. What I am going to do now, I am going to write another program here itself. Here I am going to call it as greetings. Am I right? I am greeting him. I am greeting the employee. I am greeting my employee. Welcome. I am welcoming. Okay. Greetings.py. What I am going to do here? Import. What I need to import? Module. This whole thing is considered as a module. What is a module name here? What is the module name? EMP. I am going to call EMP. How many function is there in the EMP? Only one function is there. Can I write another function inside this one, sir? Yes, you can write. Yes, you can write another function here. Concentrate here. Import EMP. What we need to call? EMP dot print name. EMP dot print name. Name you need to pass Raghu. EMP dot print name. EMP dot print name. We need to pass the name. What happens? I will run the greetings. It is going to import EMP. What the interpreter is going to do? It will search for EMP file. Is there any EMP file is there? Yes, EMP file is there. What it contains? It will fetch it. Actually, EMP dot print name. EMP ಒಳಗಡೆ print name ಅಂತದ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀನು? Raghu. This Raghu will be passed here. What will be the message? Hi Raghu, welcome. ಈ greetings ಬರಿ ಮುಂದಾಗ can I going to write a more than 2 lines? No, because already the code is available for greetings in employee.py. Just I am calling that print name, just I am passing the argument. This is the modules. Have you got this one? I'll share the screen. I will share the screen now. We'll learn the program by practical. Okay. Share. Here, what happening? Is it visible now? Is it visible now? Is it visible? Raise your hand if it is visible. Okay, the save dialog box is visible, I think so. The save dialog box is visible to you. Is that save dialog box is visible to you? Okay, I'm going to save it as emp.py. emp.py. Save it. Now emp.py is saved. The first program we ಎರಡು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಲಿಕತ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೀಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್, another one is emp.py. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಈಗ. def print name, I think so. Am I right? Print name. You can choose anything here. I'm going to pass the name as argument, formal argument. Okay, this is a statement where we are going to define the function called as a print name. What it is going to do now? Print hi is a string which is concatenated with, which is joined with name as we passed. Okay, space welcome to Vedant. Welcome to Vedant. Assume that this is a greeting for Vedant, employee of Vedant. Okay, control S. Now we have saved this emp.py. We have saved that emp.py. I will stop the screen share. Stop the screen share. Now I am going to start again, once again, different program untitled shade. Now it is visible, I think so. Now it is red. Down your hands. Down your hands. I'm going to get confusion. ಸಚಿನ್, ವಿನುತಾ, ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿರಿ ನೀವು? Okay, control yes, I'm going to press. Control yes, I'm going to press. I'm going to save it as greetings. Anjali and Patil, Sachin Patil, down your hands. Greetings. Save. Who is this A? Okay, here I am going to call import emp. Import emp. Is it capital or small emp? I'll use my capital itto small itri. Import emp. What I need to import from emp? I'm going to call emp dot print name. emp dot print name. What I need to pass here? That is Raghu. I need to pass. Control yes. I have saved this one. I will run this module now. Run module. Wait for a while. I'll share the screen. I will share the screen of output now. Yes, the screen is available. Hi Raghu, welcome to Vedant. Am I right? Is it visible to you? Is output is visible to you? Raise your hands. Is output is visible to you? Raise your hands. Well, my dears, this is how the module is going to work. Who is module here? Stop the screen. Okay, who is module here? This employee is a module which is called in greetings. This employee is a module where we are going to call it as the greetings.py. So every Python program is going to act as a module for other Python program. This statement ana lakshya itkonbidre. Every Python program is going to act as a module for in another program of Python. Clear it is? My dear students, clear it is? Is there any queries? Please raise your queries. My dear students, in the next class we are going to write the same thing. We are going to learn about the modules itself, but there we are going to write in module 3 to 4 functions. We are going to call only one function by using the import statement. from import statement we are going to learn in the next class. I'm going to we are going to discuss one more program in import session. ಇದೇ ಸೆಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ we are going to learn about a from import. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we concentrate here. Okay, if you have any queries you can contact me at any. I'm going to give the assignment now. Do it and submit it by the evening. Do it and submit it by the evening. If you are not having a mobile, if you are not having any laptop, you are not having any facilities in the sense, just write it and submit it. So what you need to do is, in one module, that is in area module ಒಳಗಡೆ area of circle, here radius you are going to pass, area of square, here you are going to pass as side. You know returning statements, in return ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತದ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ. This is module area.py. here you are going to call, in this module it is calculation module, calculation py ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. import this one to here. Just call area of circle, pass radius as a 2. Just call the area of square, pass a 4. That you need to print the result by calling this function. Clear it is? Assignment clear ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್? ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಸೆಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಸೆಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ವಿತ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ.